Hey, and welcome back. This is Stephen Luke here. And first things first, let me jump right in and show you the software itself. So you go to a website, it's a web application. You don't have to download anything or anything like that. So it is nice in that aspect. And as you can see, I've created several videos and we've tested many of them. And so far, so good. Now, as far as files go, when you download the file, you can download it via WebM file or MP4 file. I typically download the MP4 file because that's pretty much universal and compatible when it comes to editing within your video editor like Camtasia and other video editors. Now, as far as customizing the actual templates, it's super easy to do. Let me show you how to do it. So you click on Create, you find a template that you want. So you might have seen this particular video template in my review video up at the top. Now, all you have to do is simply find the video. You can put your mouse over each one of these videos and you're able to actually see a preview of what the actual video looks like. So you know exactly what you can expect. And then when you're ready, you click on the plus sign. And then what you need to do is simply find a logo. So all you have to do is find a picture. So in this case, let's just choose this one here. You drag and drop it in, you're done. You click on next. And then of course, this template has a page 1 text and page 2 text. So in this case, we can say something, how to build your business in 30 days. Once we're done, we click on next, and that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to use videos. And you can also include audio. So some of these actually have sound effects. If you would like to include the sound effects, you can click yes. I'm going to click no because I like to kind of use my own audio, and that's just my preference. When you're done, you can click on Review and Render, and it's going to bring you to a different screen, and it's going to ask you to confirm everything. And it says we chose all of these video properties, the text is right, the images are right. So when we're ready, all we have to do is click on Render, and we're good to go. So as you can see, if I go back to the main screen here, you can see the business building book is right here. It is actually rendering, so we don't actually see it. It's not downloadable yet. But basically from that point on, I can pretty much walk away. I can do anything on my computer. I don't have to worry about my computer being bogged down, and I can do something else. I would say roughly takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour to actually render, which can be a downside, but at the same time, it's hands-free. You don't have to download anything, and it's actually being rendered on the server itself. Now, the account that we have is actually the bare bone minimum account, which has 50 templates. So obviously, if you do want access to more templates, you can click this button and get more templates. There will be one-time offer, which will be probably cheaper. Keep in mind, these are 50 templates. And if you were to go to Video Hive, I mean, think about it. It's about anywhere from the low end of $20 to the high end of $50 per template. So the low end is the 50 times 20. That's about $1,000. You're going to save a lot of money either way. So we have access to intros, outros, logos, transitions, alphas, and socials. Now what I want to do is send you to a video that I extracted from a bigger video that I felt like really went over the main highlights and the benefits of videos, so you know exactly what it can do further than what I showed you, and you know exactly what you're getting into. All right,